hotel back here.
Went to the Oregon Garden.
Yep. Give you guys a little bit of scenery.
This is to the volcano stadium. Sure, I haven't seen anything about
Right, and right here, you'll see one of our favorite places, Easy Orchards. So yeah, we're on our way right now, and I'll vlog more when we get there. Bye for now. We're here at the Oregon Garden.
Sun's beating down on my arm.
Yeah. That's where they're having, that over there, that's where they're going to have the fireworks show. But I'm about to go get a slushie here in a minute, and I'll let you guys know how it is. Bye for now. Alright, we're back again. Ow! I can't reach it.
Say delivery thing was good.
Not sure if you guys can see this. We got something from Kona Ice. One of the vendors down there. It was a really long walk. And I would reach my, hold on a minute. This is good, but it's very sticky.
Oh.
Alright, fireworks. As you can see, it's still sunny out.
Glitched up. Hey, 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 it's kind of getting warmer.
Yeah.
On the phone.
So what do you think about the shaved ice?
I think it's really good. And I would eat more if I thought Drew was going to have some of it. When it unglitches, you can send it.
Mom, we're on camera.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, y'all.
Anyways, yep. Anyways, I'll come back when the fireworks are starting. Bye for now.
10 o'clock.
Alright.
Goes for about an hour, hour and a half.
We're waiting for the fireworks show to start.
Oh, hell no.
There's Dad. So yeah, the fireworks show is going to begin hopefully soon.
An hour.
So yeah,
We have about an hour left.
we already have our sweaters on because it's chilly.
Mosquitoes are out there for us.
Yeah.
Red and Drew's way.
Alright. So we'll come back when we're doing the fireworks. Fireworks show. we're back from the fireworks show. And a late dinner. And it was okay. It was kind of too short for my opinion. But other than that, it was a really good show. So yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a 4th of July vlog. Bye!